Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So this phone was Samsung's last year flagship, and I just want to check this phone out in 2020. So I guess that's about it. So let's talk about some of the specs in this phone. I have the 128GB variant. There's a 256, and I'm pretty sure there's a 512. I have the 128 gig, 8 GB of RAM, and it has Snapdragon 855 chipset, which is last year's chipset. So it's still a pretty nice chip. As you guys might know, I have an S10e currently, and it has the Snapdragon 855 in. It's pretty nice. I've had it for a year, and it's a really nice chip. It hasn't slowed down a lot. I haven't seen any lag or glitches or apps just closing randomly. So I guess this phone's gonna be the same. In usage case, the only difference is this phone, the S10 Plus, has a 4,100 milliamp hour battery, and the S10e has a 3,100 milliamp hour. So let's get on with the unboxing. So let me cut open the tape on the sides. 1 second. Let me get this open. Okay, so that's open. Now we can take this top off. Okay, slides off pretty nice. So let's check out what's in the box. So it says this device is packaged with a screen protector. So it's just a normal plastic screen protector, no tempered glass or nothing special. So in the box right here in the back area, this comes with it. I believe so in some countries you get a TPU case, a clear case, but I'm pretty sure you don't get one in the US. So here's your SIM ejection tool, and then inside there should be just some manuals and everything. Let's check it out. Yep, just some manuals. Just put that to the side. Okay, here's the phone. You're greeted with the phone on top. Feels pretty nice. Pretty big compared to my S10e. Let me put that to the side. Okay, so let's check out what's in the box. We have the 15-watt charging brick, same as the S10e. I would love if they included the 25-watt charging brick for the S10 Plus, just because of the fact that the battery is a whole 1,000 milliamp hour bigger than the S10e, and around like 600 milliamp hours bigger than the S10. So it'd be nice if they had a faster charging brick, but it's still nice, still charges up pretty fast. I will be doing speed tests and charge tests with this phone, so don't worry about it. Putting this to the side. Next up, we have the OTG thing, I'm pretty sure. I think that's what it's called, I'm not sure. So you basically just plug in your USB into here, and then there's a USB-C connector right here. So this is for transferring your files from your other devices. This works on iOS as well. So if you're transferring from an iPhone, you can just plug your lightning cable, USB-A to lightning cable into here, connect the lightning into your iPhone, and then just connect this into your phone and transfer your files. So that's an easy way to transfer files. You can also use this for other things if you're connecting USB to your phone, which is pretty nice. I've used this before on my S10e, and it's a nice feature. It's a nice thing that they include this. Next up, we have our charging cable in here. Right there, that's the charging cable. It's been the same cable for a while, nothing special about it. And then we have the AKG earbuds right here. I like them, they're braided. If I can show you guys, they're braided, and I've had a pair of these, and they're very durable. I think I broke one of them, but it's probably my fault. That was a user problem. Like I did use it a lot every day, and it would always be like in my pocket, in my bag, and just toss it around everywhere. So one of the sides broke on mine, but I haven't had any problems with this. Sound quality is great, especially that it's included in the box. It does connect to your aux port, so that's nice right there. I don't see anything else in this box, so that's about it. You get all the same things with all the other S10 series, so nothing special about this one. I'm gonna put this to the side, and let's check out the phone now. Okay, so here's the phone right here. I have the black version right here. Looks pretty nice. It comes with this plastic film on top, just to protect it, I guess, in the box. And then there's the triple camera setup right there. So there's a wide angle, ultra wide angle, and there's a telephoto, 2x telephoto, flashlight, and then that's your sensor. So I believe that's for like heartbeats and stress, I think it's for those, and the Samsung Health app. So you open your Samsung Health app and you like place your finger on top of this, and it just measures your blood pressure, all that stuff. So a nice feature to add, include on the phone. So we have our dual camera right here. It's only on the Plus variant of the S10 series, and then I believe the S10 5G has triple cameras or something, or one of the cameras is a depth sensor. So I'm not sure about that. Speaker grill on top. See what that is? You guys already know what that is. You know, that's nice, including that. Samsung did get rid of it on the S20 and the Note 10, but you know, it's nice to have it on the S10 still. Even though this phone is a year old, you know, it still feels premium. Not that heavy, you know, compared to the iPhone XS Max and the other iPhones. It's not that heavy. I'm pretty sure that's because of the fact that Apple uses stainless steel and Samsung uses aluminum, so it's Gorilla Glass 6, and then there's aluminum in between the two glass parts. You know, it's still durable. My S10e, I haven't had any problems with it. I've dropped it a couple times, but you know, nothing too big. Just a scratch on one side and a tiny dent, but it was a pretty nice drop. So I guess that's what you get when you don't wear a case. So overall thoughts on the design. Feels really nice in the hands. Pretty big compared to the S10e. You know, 6.4 inch screen. My S10e has a 5.8 inch. So I guess that's about it for this phone. You know, hopefully I'll be coming to you guys with speed tests, battery tests, comparing it to the iPhone SE, Samsung Galaxy S10e, and all the other phones. So I guess that's about it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, I'd love if you guys commented down some ideas for future videos. Be pretty nice, and it would be videos that you guys would want. So that's about it. Have a good day and see you in the next video.